Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Welcome to another edition of Scientifics, where we bring you the top science stories of the week from across the globe. Chinese scientists have solved the mystery behind an unusual gel-like substance that it spotted on the far side of the moon last year. China's Chang'e 4 lunar lander had spotted what appeared to be a gel-like substance on the lunar surface, a discovery that puzzled scientists. Now, analyzing images sent by the Yutu-2 rover, scientists have determined that the substance is nothing more than glistening rock. The rock had possibly melted in the aftermath of a meteorite impact, researchers believe. In preparation for its launch later this month, NASA's Mars rover Perseverance has been attached to the top of the rocket that will ferry it to the Red Planet. Encased in the nose cone that will protect it during launch, the rover and the rest of the Mars 2020 spacecraft were affixed to a United Launch Alliance Atlas V booster this week in the US. The rover, which is planned to make a landing on Mars in February next year, will search for signs of ancient microbial life. It will also send back data about the planet's climate and geology, paving the way for human exploration of the Red Planet. It will also be the first planetary mission to collect and store Martian rock and dust samples. In later missions, NASA plans to send a spacecraft to Mars to collect these samples and return them to Earth for further analysis. Back on Earth, scientists have spotted a glacier in Italy that is turning pink because of algae, a development that does not bode well for the health of our planet. Often known as watermelon snow, such algal blooms make the ice in the region melt faster. The pink snow has appeared at the Prisina Glacier in northern Italy. While the phenomenon is fairly common in the Alps in spring and summer, it has been more marked this year. Scientists believe that an alga named Chlamydomonas nivalis is responsible for the change in color. Due to low snowfall and high atmospheric temperatures this year, the region had the perfect environment for the algae to grow. Algal blooms are bad for glaciers as darker snow absorbs more energy from the sun, causing the ice to melt faster. The IUCN Red List, a catalogue of species that are endangered and at risk of becoming extinct, has surpassed 120,000 species. Almost a third of all lemur species in Madagascar are now critically endangered, which is just a step away from extinction. The latest update in the list, which completes a revision of all African primate assessments, shows that over half of all primate species in rest of Africa are under threat. The North Atlantic right whale and the European hamster are now both in the critically endangered category. The world's most expensive fungus, caterpillar fungus, has also entered the IUCN Red List as a vulnerable species. This fungus is highly valued in traditional Chinese medicine, where it has been used for over 2,000 years to treat many diseases, including those related to kidneys and lungs. This is Mohana Basu for The Print. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates.